Hello everyone, welcome back to your very own Learn the Mahi Way. So I hope all of you have been watching my videos. We have started with grade 7 CBSE first topic of science, that is nutrition in plants. I must say it is a very interesting video where we are going to learn about how plants are making their own food, right? Don't you think it's like wonders where whatever we are eating, how we are surviving, how our growth is happening, it all depends on how plants are making food for them, right? Because हम तो plants पे dependent है, हमारा जो भी आता है fruits, vegetables, pulses, whatever we are making सब plants से आ रहा है. So basically main मेहनत कौन कर रहा है? Plants कर रहे हैं, right? But are we giving them that much credit for the मेहनत that they are doing? Okay, so at least let's study how they are making food, what all hard work they are putting in to make that food that we are eating. Okay, so yes, today we will be talking about photosynthesis. That is a process by which plants are making their own food, and of course we are also living on that food, so it is very important for us to know what is photosynthesis. So yeah, let's get started. So photosynthesis, now let's divide the word into two half. Okay, when we say photo, so word photo means light, okay, and synthesis means making. Okay, synthesis of something means we are making something, and the word photo means light. Okay, so photosynthesis means what? We are making something in the presence of light. So अब यहाँ पे हम कौन सी लाइट की बात कर रहे हैं? Sunlight, right? So when we are talking about plants, we are talking about sunlight, which is playing a very important role in all our lives. Not only plants, but even for human beings, for animals, sunlight is a very important component, because let's not forget, sunlight is a major source of vitamin D. Okay, so now what is photosynthesis? First, let me write down what happens in photosynthesis. So there is a reaction basically, that is CO2. What is CO2? It is carbon dioxide plus H2O, that is water. When carbon dioxide and water combine, it forms glucose, okay, plus energy. This is the basic reaction of photosynthesis. Okay, अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Carbon dioxide is combining with the water and it is forming glucose and energy. When I say glucose, glucose is formed in the form of carbohydrates or starch. We have studied previous year in standard 6 in our first chapter. Carbohydrates is mainly present in the form of starch and sugar, right? So when I say glucose, it means it is sugar, and the second major component is starch. Alright, so carbohydrates are present in the form of starch and sugar. So ये जो reaction हो रहा है plants में, which we are calling as photosynthesis, it is taking place with the help of carbon dioxide and water. ठीक है, अब water तो plants के अंदर present है already, right? Plants are having a lot of water present inside them. From where does this carbon dioxide come? ठीक है, we know one thing, that we breathe in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide, और जो हम carbon dioxide बाहर देते हैं वो plants absorb करते हैं, and then end में they form oxygen. So along with glucose and energy, another very important product which is formed in photosynthesis is oxygen. Let's not forget oxygen. अब ये carbon dioxide कहाँ से आ रहा है? Okay, so let me tell you, this major process of photosynthesis कहाँ पे हो रहा है? It is happening in the leaves of the tree. Leaves are also known as food making factories of the plants. So now see, I'll show you what happens, and leaves में भी कहाँ पे present होता है ये carbon dioxide. So these are the leaves. ठीक है, अब ये leaves के अंदर there are small holes which are present, tiny pores. Okay, ऐसे छोटे छोटे pores present होते हैं inside the leaves. These pores are called as stomata. Okay, small tiny pores or holes which are present on the leaves are called as stomata, and around the stomata there is presence of guard cells. Okay, they are cashew nut shaped, or you can say kidney shaped, bean shaped cells which are guarding the stomata So these cells are called as guard cells. ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू रिमेम्बर. लीव्स के अंदर छोटे छोटे होल्स और पोर्स होते हैं विच आर कॉल्ड एज स्टोमेटा, और वो स्टोमेटा के अराउंड गार्ड सेल्स होते हैं, यू कैन से विच आर एक्टिंग एज बॉडी गार्ड्स. ओके, दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग द स्टोमेटा. ओके, तो क्या हो रहा है, स्टोमेटा को जो दो सेल्स प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं ऑन द साइड्स, दोज आर कॉल्ड एज गार्ड सेल्स. तो अब क्या होता है, ये जो टाइनी पोर्स होते हैं, फ्रॉम दीज पोर्स द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एयर इज गेटिंग अब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द प्लांट्स. ठीक है, प्लांट्स के पास कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहां से आ रहा है, इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द स्टोमेटा. दीज टाइनी होल्स विच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द लीव्स आर अब्सॉर्बिंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द एयर. इज दैट क्लियर? अब हमको पता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहां से आ रहा है, हमको पता है पानी ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है प्लांट्स के अंदर. दिस रिएक्शन cannot get completed without the presence of two important things. Now what are those two important things? First is sunlight and second is chlorophyll. Okay, what is chlorophyll? We have already discussed about this in our previous videos. Chlorophyll is the green component which is present in the plants. तो ये chlorophyll एक green pigment होता है जो plants को वो green color देता है. ठीक है, तो सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल के प्रेजेंस में क्या बन रहा है, ऑक्सीजन बन रहा है, ग्लूकोज बन रहा है विच इज गोइंग टू गिव अस एनर्जी. नाउ व्हेन वी से ग्लूकोज, तो ग्लूकोज बन रहा है कौन से फॉर्म में, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड स्टार्च के फॉर्म में. एक्चुअली ग्लूकोज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के फॉर्म में बनता है, बट व्हेन इट इज स्टोर्ड इन द प्लांट्स इट इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च, बिकॉज स्टार्च इज अ सिंपलर फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर, उसको अगर हम ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे तो वो स्टार्च के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट रहता है. ओके, सो दिस इज बेसिकली द रिएक्शन ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. whenever any question about photosynthesis is asked, firstly we need to know the definition of photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use carbon dioxide and water to form oxygen and carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. That is photosynthesis. ये डेफिनेशन याद कर लिया तो रिएक्शन याद हो जाएगा, या तो आप ये सिंपल फॉर्म में रिएक्शन याद कर लो, रिएक्शन को देख के आप अपना डेफिनेशन बना लो. सो दैट इज अबाउट फोटोसिंथेसिस. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ दैट इज क्लियर टू एवरी वन ऑफ यू. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहाँ से आ रहा है, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द एयर, बट प्लांट्स कहाँ से ले रहे हैं, लीव्स के अंदर जो टाइनी होल्स होते हैं विच आर कॉल्ड एज स्टोमेटा, दे आर अब्सॉर्बिंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एयर. वाटर इज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट्स. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट and chlorophyll, they are forming oxygen, which is the most vital gas for us because we are doing respiration because of the oxygen, and they are forming glucose in the form of carbohydrates. Okay, so majority of our food that we are consuming is carbohydrates. So now we know ये carbohydrates कहाँ से आ रहा है, तो it is coming from the process of photosynthesis where plants are making their own food. Okay, I hope all this is very clear to all of you about what is photosynthesis. This is a very important topic. Please go through the video again and again. If there is any doubt, if you have any question related to any topic from the entire chapter, please post your queries in the comment section and I will definitely answer all your queries, and I will also be back with another interesting session. Stay tuned to Learn the Mahi Way.